What's good, Svfam? I hope you're having a good day. Okay, anyways, so today it is day 4 of Vlogmas. It's me, Lex, and of course the babe, Monte.
Yes.
And today, for our day 4, we're going to do Christmas stockings. Everything we got from the dollar store, everything here was $1. So we're going to create our own stockings. Or should we create, you create mine or create yours?
Should we do that? I'll explain them more why not.
So we're going to decorate our own stockings. And we're going to hang them up once they're done.
That's funny.
And also
Hopefully
extension
it worked good.
which can
Yeah,
compress
I'm trying to do my name on it.
to make your arm feel like it's a spring. Avoid
And then you
with one leg up. Misaligning your hips
And then you can.
alternating
I
between
know
swinging
what
your sides
I'm
and
putting.
back.
I'm putting my name, right? When I put my name.
So I can put my actual whole name. That's my whole name.
Alright.
Alright, now I'm done. Hey, these dollar markers were kind of fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, y'all. That took way longer than I thought it would, but then again, not too bad. I'm just gonna have a lot more to edit than I thought I was gonna have to. But Of course, this is no competition. This is just us doing our thing. That's my babies. If y'all can see it here, I'll hold it close right. Diavre. Cribma.
Whew. I'm sore. I ain't worked 8 hours in a minute. Yeah, a little minute.
And this is mine. Got the ivories for. See, in just in case y'all don't know, that's Devontae, Alexis, Ivory. And, you know, I like the Z, so this is the Z at the end. And then the brand.
Yeah, because you like to sleep.
SV Stubborn Visuals. And then I got my name at the top. 2 eyes, like I said. Boom, bow. So, that was day 4. We did our DIY Christmas stockings. And I will show you once they're dry, them all nicely hung up and all cute and whatnot. Where are we going to put them? Like on the side of the tree, next to the tree?
Either side.
Alright, either way. Y'all see that momentarily. It'll probably be after. Well, actually, it'll probably be right here. I'm going to put it right here. So you see where they at and they cute and everything else. But anyways, you ready to close out the video? If you like the vibe, then subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to bump that thumbs up. I love y'all. Be blessed. See you next video. Dun, dun. Bye. Much love.